Introduction to Debugging.
Debugging is the process of identifying and fixing errors or bugs in computer programs. It helps developers ensure software works as intended. When a program behaves unexpectedly or crashes, debugging allows programmers to find the cause, correct it, and improve overall quality. Whether you're new to coding or experienced, understanding debugging is essential for writing reliable software.
Why debugging matters.
Bugs can cause programs to produce wrong results, slow down, or even crash. Debugging prevents these issues by making code more robust and easier to maintain. Early detection of bugs saves time, reduces frustration, and protects users from potential security risks. Mastering debugging skills is key for anyone who wants to become an effective software developer.
Basic debugging techniques.
Common debugging techniques include reading error messages, adding print statements to code, and isolating sections of a program. These methods help developers see where things go wrong. Breaking complex problems into smaller pieces and testing each part individually can make it easier to locate bugs and verify fixes.
Essential debugging tools.
Developers use a variety of tools for debugging. Integrated development environments, IDEs, like Visual Studio Code or PyCharm, provide built-in debuggers to step through code line by line. Standalone debuggers and browser developer tools are also widely used. These tools help inspect variables, control program flow, and find exactly where a bug appears.
Best practices and tips.
Effective debugging involves clear thinking and patience. Document your steps, test small code changes, and use version control to keep track of progress. Collaborating with others and explaining problems aloud can provide fresh insights. Remember, all developers face bugs. Strong debugging skills will make you a more confident and successful coder.